Kathleen Alden nagpaalam na, "This is Joy and this is Ethan signing off." Alright. Tuluyan nang namaalam sina Alden Richards at Kathleen Bernardo sa kanilang mga karakter sa record-breaking na Hello Love Again bilang sina Ethan at Joy. Ibig sabihin, wala na talagang part 3 ang kanilang pelikula mula sa Star Cinema at GMA Pictures na patuloy na humahataw sa takilya hanggang ngayon sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Finally, nag-sign off na nga sina Joy at Ethan mula sa itinuturing na ngayong top grossing Filipino movie of all time mula sa direksyon ni Cathy Garcia Sampana. Feeling thankful and grateful sina Kathleen at Alden sa mega success na tinatamasa hanggang ngayon ng kanilang pelikula. To everyone who joined us in this journey, know na hindi namin makakalimutan ang experience na ito as much as you guys are to it also. Say ni Alden sa panayam ng 24 oras weekend. Ayon naman kay Kathleen, abot langit ang pasasalamat ng buong production sa lahat ng sumuporta at nanood Hello Love Goodbye at sa sequel nitong Hello Love Again. Magawa nang wala yung suporta na iyon. And that support motivate us and keep us going. Ayon kay Kathleen. At sabay na pamamaalam ng Kathleen kina Joy at Ethan sa sambayan ng Pilipino, this is Joy and this is Ethan signing off. Samantala, gumawa na naman ng bagong kasaysayan ang pelikula matapos itong magkaroon ng special VIP screening at Thanksgiving party sa Taguig City with showbiz and political personality. Present sa special screening si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, Senate President Chis Escudero at iba pang mambabatas at government official. It's kind of like a happy cry, a fulfilled cry because parang na-realize ni First Lady yung home niya is yung husband niya. The film resonates with a lot of people in different ways, say ni Alden. Sabi niya, it was a good kind naman so sa enjoy niya yung journey ni Ethan at Joy. And then, she also mentioned na napapanood niya rin yung first part, dagdag ni Kathleen. Lahat pa ng Asia's multimedia star, we're very grateful din naman talaga na mas nabibigyan tayo ng support ngayon ng ating government when it comes to the entertainment industry. Showbiz pa rin hanggang ngayon ang Hello Love Again sa mahigit 300 cinema sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. At yan ang totoo. Alright. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!